Here I have Nokia C12, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select start time, end time of the schedule, and also on which days it will repeat. You can also set up default duration of this mode, and you can hide display options for hidden notifications. You can adjust display options for hidden notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sounds and visuals, or customize them here for yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.